So I'm filming this video to test out my new camera. So we're gonna take a walk and go to Josh's room because he has the coolest stuff. And I want to zoom in on things and see how they focus. So here is my grandma. And it's hard to hold this. Okay. And that's her eye. And her lips. Okay, pretty cool. Alright. This is Kelly's graduation picture. Yeah, okay. Alright. Pretty cool. Okay, this is a calendar. Today is the 3rd. But it is not June, it's July. So that's cool, I guess. That's Josh's camera. Let's see how words focus. Okay. So I'm gonna try it like this. It's pretty clear. Pretty cool. This is actually what I'm looking at. There's a glare. Some people faces kind of like these. Alright. Now let's take a walk to the kitchen. Let's try to zoom in on babies. There's Logan when he was like not even born. There is a napkin. Wonder if there's a light on here. I don't know. Okay, and we're coming around the house. And here we'll go in my room. Yay. Alright, here's a tree. Zoom in on a turtle. And a bear. And my window. Mayonnaise jar that I made. Pretty cool. Okay. Let's do more focusing. This is cool, I guess. Does that focus? Oh, that's pretty awesome. It's very clear. Yeah. Cool. So, the end. Bye.